hear me.
I'm sorry, let me
That would be a good first step. Good morning, everyone. Welcome to another Class Act unboxing. It is April 1st already, and happy April Fool's Day. Alright, so it is working. That's great. Fun fact, I did not realize it was April today, so I have many of these products listed under the March category of new arrivals. So definitely check out April and March, and you will see all of the things I'm about to share with you and lots more goodies.
You're allowed to yell at her.
Yeah, my bad. I'm so sorry. I'll put everything in April for the rest of the month, I promise. So without any further hesitation, it's going to be a small unboxing today because I only grabbed a few select items. We have lots of Gina K that arrived. We have lots of adhesives and all kinds of goodies that I didn't bring to share, but I just wanted to kind of focus on some things that I do have with me. So starting off with this, this is only one color, but this is the new Solar Spray from Simon Hurley and Ranger. If you're not familiar with Solar Spray, it's like a very pale pearlescent sort of color in the bottle. But, oh gosh, if you spray it on white cardstock, it's like a subtle hint of shimmer. And if you spray it on black cardstock, you get a bit of color as well as shimmer to it. It's very, very awesome. So definitely check out the Solar Spray. I can't wait to play around with this. I know I have a couple colors in my stash already. Richard is here. He's not earmuffs. Then we have lots of new AALL Create washi tapes as well. I only grabbed this one to show you guys. This one is Coral Wings. So when you layer the different strips together, you can create sort of a butterfly scenescape. But it works with all of their washi. So you can use it as regular washi tape, but you can also build up a really solid image with them using 4 or 5 strips. And they look phenomenal on cards or in journals for that matter. We have this adorable little stencil from Stamperia, and it says words on it like home, love, wonder, horizon, dawn, dream, beautiful, journey, grow, and happiness. So I love that. Good morning, Sharon. Hello, Sandra. So yeah, very excited to showcase that. From AALL Create, we have this set of leaves. I showed you guys time-worn leaves before, but I did not show you the vibrant leafscape. So, aren't they gorgeous? They're like beautiful rainbow colors. Here's what they look like in the package, but a lot of fun to adorn your projects with, along with this cute little bubble stencil. Oop, that's my alarm. This one is called Bubblescape, and it's really, really cute. It's just like little circles or bubbles, and this will look amazing with the Solar Spray. Then we have some returning and brand new 3D toppers from Hardy Crafts. If you've never done these before, they're so simple and so much fun. So essentially it has 3 different layers. You add a pop dot in between and you end up with this like beautiful sort of decoupage little 3D topper for your cards or your scrapbook. So this one is the blue violet flowers. We also have Christmas gnomes. We have garden gnomes, perfect for spring. And you can see in the package they're a lot larger. Sharon says, Richard, are you behaving? Never. We have cuddling owls. These are adorable. Then we have my personal favorite new arrival, the cats. They're so cute. They're like little cats in flower baskets and all snuggled up. Adorable. What else? What else? Purple blue flowers. I think those are slightly different. Yeah, slightly different from the ones I showed you first. So this one has things like irises, peonies, all kinds of other stuff. These ones I believe are new. These are hedgehogs, and they are seasonal hedgehogs. So here you see one with a pumpkin, and then you see one in sort of a wintry festive wreath. There's pine cones, and all kinds of things as well. Some cute ones for spring. So that's hedgehogs. Adorable. They don't make enough hedgehog stuff, am I right? Yeah.
I agree.
Richard's like silently nodding. Then there is beautiful horses. This one is new. This one is marine. So this one has lots of coastal sort of colors, very nautical, lighthouses, some sea stars, ships in a bottle. And you could even use this one as like random pieces on a project as well, or for junk journaling. Butterflies on branches. So pretty. And blue violet flowers, which are again different from the purple blue flowers. So this one obviously has violets in it. Again, I see some irises and some other flowers as well, and some butterflies. We have, like I said at the beginning, lots of returns and restocks from Gina K, but I just grabbed this die here. This is the curved floral banner die set. So it's really cute. You get the outline or shadow, as well as this gorgeous curved floral element.
See? Linda Tar said hello.
Oh, hi, Linda. Thank you for joining. Then we have from Hunky Dory these amazing luxury topper sets where you can usually make at least 2 cards with them. This first one is called, I'm so excited. So it's really, really pretty. It's got some pinks and purples and wildflowers. This is from the Forever Florals edition. Then they have Blushing Blossoms. These are pretty poppies. And pretty indeed. Instead of being the red color that we're used to seeing, it's like a nice pinky color for spring. Again, depending on how you create things, you can make at least 2 cards. This one would be a really cool shaker card that they have shown in the corner, so you could try to recreate that. Sharon says I'm useless with these. They're a lot of fun. You just have to play around with them for sure. Then there are botanical birds. These are owls. What is this one? Like a falcon? I'm not a bird person.
Sampan said hello.
Hello. Thanks for joining. Then this one is gorgeous. This one is especially for you. Collection. Enjoy the simple things is what this one is called. It's got white roses. Really, really pretty. I feel like this would make a gorgeous like sympathy card. Whimsical World. We had to bring this one back in because she's so cute. She's like a little fairy with all the peaches. She's riding a snail. I mean, come on. There's the little snail making an appearance again. And then this guy returned as well. This is the Fairy Kisses. So here you have fairy with toads and a turtle.
Let me go to bed.
The heck you are.
Love you. Huh?
Love you. Have a good
Everyone,
day.
give her a hard time for putting it in March and not April.
Then we have this awesome return from the vault. This is a Tim Holtz die set. I believe this one is called Vault Edges. So it creates all of these awesome sort of detailed edges where you get like the ripped effect. You get sort of the notebook style and then some other edges as well. It's a set of 31 dies, so on top of all these edges, you're also getting the alphabet. What the heck? Sandra! Then we have this collection of card fronts from Stamperia, or bookmarks as well. This is part of the Hidden Grove set from Farrell Taylor. And if I flip it over, you can see, so you get some bookmarks, some beautiful card fronts. I am obsessed with this cute little toad, and then some tags and all kinds of goodies that you could do. Oh, 7 cards, 5 tags, 1 bookmark. There we go. Also, speaking of Hidden Grove, We have these cute little chipboard pieces that came in. So these include some delightful gnomes and mushroom houses, toadstool houses, a tree, home nature wonders, just one-sided. And last but not least to share with you guys this morning from Hidden Creek, the collection from the Arden Creative Studio, which is Katie Paratet's new line. We have the 12 by 12 set in stock. So I know we've had some of the embellishments and all kinds of other things, but we finally have the 12 by 12 paper. Now this is very reminiscent of 49 and Market. You might actually kind of recognize the style because she was a former designer for 49 and Market. So if you love that style, Hidden Creek is a cool collection for you. On that note, definitely go ahead and check out the March and April categories on the website. I am so sorry. I just wanted to make sure everyone's awake on April Fool's Day and play a little trick with you guys. So definitely check out the categories for everything I've shared today and lots more. Like I said, we have all kinds of washi tapes, all kinds of Gina K. If I brought it all home, we'd be here for hours. So check it out. Can't wait to see you guys again on Thursday for Inspirational Thursday. And meanwhile, I hope you have a great day and a great week. And I'll see you all next time. Bye!